Jason, thanks for coming out, man.
Thank you.
Everybody's learning a lot from you, including myself.
Yeah.
All type of new techniques and whatnot.
Yeah, when I come in, I just shake you up, spit you out, and you know, you learn a lot. It's either you can only learn so much by the people around you, and if you get someone that's at that next level, whatever that is, you tend, with an open mind, you tend to learn a lot. So we throw all the stuff at you, and we just want you to try to understand. So from that point, you practice. So all these guys with this, and the students included, if that's something that they're looking forward to, they can start to practice and really hone in on their skills. And if it's something that they still like, they can either start a mobile gig or come work for you or whatever, you know. So
well put, great advice.
It's a really good program to just get your feet and see, hey, this is something I enjoy or don't enjoy. But it's really more important than anything. It's really self-esteem, building up that self-esteem.
It's the most important thing.
Doing small sections,
creating that network,
and succeeding. You know, it's all about small steps, and I think that's life in general, right? That's how you get better.
Enough said. Mic drop.
Bam, love it.